Hey everyone, Joe here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about winter jackets. Now, probably the first thing everybody thinks about when I say winter jackets is something like this. A hood on it, the fleece type lining on it, heavy duty outside, something that's gonna keep the cold from getting through to you and chilling you. So that's one of the things to consider. But wait a minute, you don't have to get a big little hood. You can get something, a little bit different here. Quilted lining, Levi material here, denim material, not in blue, but it's still, same material. Something like this that zips up and has snaps on it, so you can keep the wind from getting through to you. Something else you can think about, or you don't need to go quite that heavy. Even you can go with a little bit lighter one. One's got a flannel lining on it, and just some nice good material on it. There are a lot of different winter jackets. Each one is for a different temperature range, and some of them have waterproofing on them, some of them don't. So think about what sort of jacket you need for what your weather is going to be like that day. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep that into your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, and learn a new skill. Most of all, just keep getting more prepared. Why?